Hello everyone and welcome back to Hannah's Happy Home. So in today's video, I'm just going to be taking you along on my day as I get things done. Starting off here this morning, I have to get some housework done. We're going to make a grocery list, go to the grocery store later. We might stop by the thrift store, and we also just got a big delivery of furniture out on the front porch. So we're going to dig into all of that, open up a few of the boxes. I'll tell you what projects they're for, and I might set up some of the furniture. I also need to pick a paint color for the master bathroom because we need to start painting that tomorrow. So I've got a couple paint samples we'll paint on the wall back there. I hope that you enjoy the video and getting to come along on my day. So we are going to start off by getting some housework done here. I need to start some laundry, clean the kitchen, and like I said, make a grocery list. I get so many messages and comments every day asking how I'm doing and how the baby's doing, which is so sweet of all of you. So I thought I would just give a quick little update here on how the baby's doing, how I'm doing. So I'm currently 16 weeks pregnant and I'm doing great. The baby's doing great. I'm feeling a lot better now that I'm in the second trimester. I have a lot more energy. I don't feel so tired so often, don't have the nausea anymore on most days. So I'm very grateful to be feeling great, and yeah, that's pretty much the only update. Just thought I would let you know that we're both doing well, and it seems like it's going by so fast. We can't believe we're already at 16 weeks. I have so much I want to get done before the baby comes, but I'm not sure if it's all going to happen. So I got the boys' comforters and sheets started in the washer, and then I just had to do a quick tidy up in the kitchen, and I'll be sure and link the boys' sheets down below. It's all one set, the sheets and the comforter. It's from Betty's Beds. It's zipper bedding, which is great for kids. They are quite the investment, but they're such good quality. I've had ours for, it's been almost 3 years now, and they're still in amazing shape. If you watched the last video on my channel, then you saw that we put flooring in the master bathroom here, and we probably already have the walls painted in that video because as of today when I'm filming this video, we're still working on the bathroom, so we'll probably have it painted by Saturday. But yeah, if you didn't see that video, we ended up putting vinyl flooring down in here, which is 100% waterproof, and it just gives that nice wood accent that we were looking for. It helps to warm it up in here and just make it a little bit cozier. I am back here to pick a paint color. We want to go a little bit lighter in here just because the gray kind of blends in with the tiles. So I want to go with a white color. First one I got is Pure White by Sherwin-Williams. The next one is Aesthetic White by Sherwin-Williams. The next one is Alabaster by Sherwin-Williams. And my last color is by Benjamin Moore, and I think this might be the winning color right here. This is White Dove by Benjamin Moore, OC17. Okay, so I'm gonna let these completely dry and then we'll come back and make the final decision. I know that the aesthetic white is a definite no. It's pulling way too tan in here. The pure white is a little bit too white. These are the colors up against the shower tile, and the white colors definitely do pop a lot more up against the shower tile than this gray. We are going to go ahead and start unpacking some of these furniture boxes. We got this big pallet of furniture delivered yesterday here on the front porch, and I am dying to get these boxes cut open and see what we got in here. Okay, so we've got all the boxes in here except the big box out there that still has my desk in it. And all of this furniture is for 2 upcoming projects that I'm working on. The first one, the 2 pieces for the living room, I'm trying to do a little bit of redecorating in there, like I said in a previous video. And then the rest of it is furniture for my office because I'm trying to get that finished and furnished. We're going to do an accent wall in there and stuff, so that will be a future video coming up very soon. This pendant light is actually the exact same one that we have here in the dining room. This is just a much smaller version. I want to put this on the ceiling of my office, and it's a little bit lower ceiling. So I got this one that was a little bit shorter so that it wouldn't be too low in there. I love this pendant. It's really cute and it's going to match the look that I'm going for in there. I've also got a rug coming in the mail, but that should be hopefully coming in a couple days. I don't have that yet. This ottoman is for the living room. It's really soft. I'm so excited to get this set up in there. In this box right here is the file cabinet for my office. It matches the desk that I got for my office. The desk is still out on the front porch, but you all will see that in the office makeover. Here's a little sneak peek. It's just like a light oak color, really pretty. And this is the little side table that I got for the living room. I am gonna go ahead and unpackage this, get it set up, take some measurements because I need to order a lamp for on top of here. This side table is so pretty. It was exactly what I was looking for. It's got a glass top, black metal sides and legs, and then this pretty walnut base. I'm going to put this over there by the leather chair with a lamp on top of it, and I might eventually swap out this leather chair for a rocking chair, especially for when baby gets here. That's going to be really nice to have a rocking chair in the corner with this nice big side table and lamp. I grabbed one of the lamps from our bedroom to see if that would be a good size lamp to order, and I think that would be the perfect height, but I think the base needs to be maybe a little bit wider. And then I'll probably add a folded up blanket on the bottom or a basket or something, and I'm really leaning towards putting this leather chair back in my office and then ordering a nice big comfy glider to go right here. I just want to kind of set up this corner for me and the baby. We can spend a lot of time right here this winter. And then I'll get rid of this lamp back here, put that maybe back in the office, and then do a tree back here. I went back and checked the paint colors after they had dried, and I ended up picking White Dove by Benjamin Moore. So we're going to stop by Ace Hardware, pick up the paint for that, then we're going to run in the thrift store, and then we're going to get groceries. So we are going to head on our way, and it is a hot one today, almost 100 degrees outside. This back barn has a lot of neat furniture pieces in here. This desk right here is really unique. This would be a really neat piece to give a makeover to. This is my favorite section back here. They've got some old headboards and old doors back there and stuff. There's a really neat old door over there in the corner, some lamps and headboards. I'm back home and all my groceries fit in these 4 Lotus trolley bags. I think I first heard about these and they sent me some over 2 years ago now, and they are just the best thing ever. You can fit so many groceries in here. Like you saw, they set on your cart. I always get so many questions about these while I'm grocery shopping. The biggest one right here is your cold bag, and then you've got the 3 other bags as well. I think this one is the next size down. But as you can see, I could have fit a lot more in these, and they're just so roomy. They make it a lot easier to carry in the groceries and everything, and yeah, I just love them. Okay, so I'm not going to say every single thing I've got. I'm just going to do a quick overview here. You can see all the fruits and the veggies that I got. I got salad stuff. I do have spinach in the fridge. Cherries, apples, peaches, nectarines, some blueberries here. Yogurts for the boys. These were 30% off, so I got 2 of those. Whipped cream for some coffee and pies. We're gonna put these on the Traeger tonight, and these were on sale for a really low price, so I got these to try. The boys will like these. I'm starting to have a little nausea first thing in the morning again, and juice really helps with that, so I got some of this to have first thing in the morning. Unsweetened applesauce is a great snack to have on hand. I had to get some more guacamole and salsa, and then I got these yummy chips to go with it. You can see the basic things that I got back through here. I had to get some beef broth, Got some of this mixed fruit for snacks. I'm going to make some granola tonight, so I only got 1 box of cereal, and I got my regular Caesar dressing, and then I also got this Panera Bread dressing to try. It's the balsamic vinaigrette. Package of steak and beef, it was 30% off, and then I had to get a bouquet of flowers because it's been a while. I'm gonna put these on my kitchen countertops. So I'm going to end this video right here. We're going to spend the rest of the evening on the back porch. Jalen's got some steaks on the Traeger, and we're just going to hang out there. So I hope that you enjoyed today's video and getting to come along on my day. Thank you all so much for watching, and we'll see you in a couple days with a new video.